Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl. One thing that often surprises people working in SEO is seeing forum pages rank above professionally written articles. For example, when you search certain questions, you might see results from communities like Reddit or Quora instead of blogs, news websites, or expert guides. At first glance, this might seem strange because forums are often informal and may not appear as authoritative as expert content. However, search engines evaluate more than just writing quality or technical SEO. They also evaluate how well a page satisfies the user's query. In this lesson, we'll look at several reasons why forum discussions sometimes rank higher than traditional expert content. One major reason forums rank well is that they contain real user experience. When people ask a question online, they are often looking for practical advice from people who have faced the same situation. Forum discussions contain detailed stories, personal solutions, and follow up questions from other users. This creates content that feels authentic and highly relevant to people searching for similar problems. Search engines may recognize that these discussions satisfy users better than a single expert explanation. Another advantage of forum pages is that they contain multiple responses in one place. Instead of presenting only one viewpoint, a forum thread might include several different solutions suggested by different users. This creates a richer pool of information. Users can read through different responses and see what worked for others and decide which approach applies best to their situation. Because of this variety, forum threads can often match the needs of the search more effectively than a single article. Forum content is also constantly evolving. Unlike a static article that may remain unchanged for months or years, a forum can continue to receive new replies over time. These new contributions may add updated information, corrections, or new perspectives. Search engines may interpret this ongoing activity as a signal that the page remains relevant and useful. For certain topics, especially technical troubleshooting or rapidly changing industries, this freshness can make forum pages particularly valuable. Another reason forums rank well is that the language used in discussions often mirror how people search. Many queries today are phrased conversationally, especially as voice search and natural language queries become more common. Frequently include questions and answers written in everyday language. Because of this, the wording in forum threads may align closely with the wording that people use when searching. This can help search engines identify them as relevant results. Forum pages often generate strong user engagement. When users open a discussion thread, they may read several responses, scroll through conversations, or even return later to see new replies. This kind of engagement can indicate that the page is useful and interesting. While engagement metrics are not the only ranking factors, they can reinforce the value of certain pages when users consistently interact with them. For SEO professionals, forum pages can actually be a valuable source. They reveal what real users are asking, what problems they encounter, and how they describe those problems. By analyzing forum discussions, SEOs can discover new keyword opportunities and understand user intent more clearly. This information can help content that better matches what people are actually searching for. To summarize, forums sometimes rank above expert content because they offer something unique. They contain real experiences, multiple perspectives, and continuously updated discussions and language that closely matches how people ask questions. All of these elements can help search engines determine that a forum is highly relevant to certain queries. Understanding why these pages can help SEOs design better content that addresses the real needs of searchers. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, and share. Goodbye till we drop the next one. Bye.